Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can create a password protected zip file. So let's get started. First go to browser and here search for WinRAR. To create password protected zip file we need to download WinRAR software and install it in our computer. So this is the site winrar.com and we will use this tool. Click on that. So we can download it free. If your Windows 64-bit, then click download WinRAR, or if your Windows 32-bit, then click this. So my computer is 64-bit. Now click on download WinRAR, this button. Okay, now WinRAR will automatically download in our computer within 5 seconds. If automatically doesn't work, then click here. Now it will be download. Okay, now it's downloading. It's very little bit of size, only 3.8 megabyte. Get download done. Now click on this. Yes, install. Now click OK. Done. Okay, now we have successfully installed WinRAR in our computer. Now let's go to desktop. Now if I select this 4 image, right click, now you will get a new option which is called WinRAR, and if you don't get, click show more, then you will get. Now hover on WinRAR and on the right side here you can see pop-up, click add to archive. Now here you can change this name. Now select the archive option. I'm selecting zip, and here on the bottom side here you can see set password. Select on this. Now enter password. So this is my password, 1234. Okay. Okay. So this is our password protected file, and if I double click here and if I open an email, this will not open because this is password protected. So if you want to open this, you have to open it by WinRAR. So right click and hover on WinRAR and open with WinRAR. Then double click, then enter the password. Okay. So now the image opened. So this is how you can password protect any file using WinRAR. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.